Hi, this is Sue at Perfectly Pure and Natural, and I'm coming back in with a late day snack shake on my detox. This is day 2, and yes, I look a little bit different than this morning. I had to clean up because I have to go deliver a order. We do woodworking, and so I need to deliver that, so I need to look a little bit respectable. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is I already have my ice in here. I did put my kale in, and this is my homemade coconut milk. I'm going to pour that in, and probably a good cup. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my oranges. I just peeled it, and there's definitely no seeds in it. And then I'm going to do something different. I'm going to get, I got some whey protein I'm going to put in there, and I'm going to try this out. It's kind of like an orange Julius. Granted, I do have the kale in there. I usually use spinach, but today I'm going to use kale. So, hold on 1 minute while I blend this.